Hello guys, this is USDCHF and this is the monthly timeline we have. This is the trend line which I am giving the highest importance, and any trend line you draw must be touched one green and red on the bearish trend or bullish trend, whatever you say. So if I draw the trend line, this is the trend line I have. And now have I drawn it correctly? Let me check. I didn't touch the green one, so I need to touch the green one. Now you guys can see the price is trying to break out. In the last week we had this monthly imbalance, this guy and this guy, this guy and this guy, and this month it has been taken out. So this imbalance is gone on the top side. So let's remove it. We don't have any imbalance left here. The market has taken out the imbalance, but on the flip side, on the down, we have a very big imbalance. Always remember that the imbalance always draw the price towards itself, either on the top side or on the downside. It doesn't matter. Gradually it reaches to the nearest one first, then the far which one is a little bit away from the price. So here it is trying to break this trend line, which is the thing we have, and you guys can see that it has a very big downtrend for a long time. If we consider it from November 2022, December 2022, November to September, October 21 year, almost 16 months it is on downtrend. Not 16 month, 14 month. Then we have this bullish candle, these two guys, January and February. We have these two guys. So let's see how does the February turns out, and any time a double bottom is created, it gradually reaches to this 50%. So in my opinion, the USDCHF is in currently in monthly. I'm not said that it is in bullish, but it is showing a sign of bullishness once it takes it out. This top is taken out because this is the where the change of character happens normally. So keep this in mind. This is number one. And but before it goes up, it may come and tap this area again. This is my opinion. So far I have seen most of the cases no liquidity has been left here. Coming back to weekly now, you guys can see for the last 3 weeks it is hovering around here. Let me remove this line so things get more clear to you guys. Because if we consider this top and bottom, this is the 50%, because it happened, this double top happened in weekly, and this double bottom has, if we go far back, this double bottom has happened in weekly too. So considering these two, this is the 50% area, and the weekly 50% has already achieved, but the monthly, the one which I have shown, this guy has not been achieved. So let me enable this thing so you guys can understand what I am saying. If we enable it monthly, and if we go there, you guys can see from this top to this bottom, this is 50%, it has been achieved. But from this top, the higher one, to this bottom, the 50% is lying here. So in weekly, let's see what is happening. We have some imbalance left in the market here. You guys can see this is the imbalance has been left in the market. It has not been touched yet by the market. This has been left. This area has been left in week. So this is the monthly imbalance. Also on the top, we can now identify this is the weekly imbalance, which was here till here, but it has been taken out here a little 2 weeks back. So we can say that this is the area where price will try to reach either. So what I was telling, that it may reach to this area. So you guys can see automatically then in weekly this will try to reach this area first, take out this imbalance, and then maybe move on the upside, because it has been rejected on the upside. Also it has been rejected on the downside, but the downside never touched the imbalance here. This guy didn't come here for 1 second. And last week it was bearish, never taken out this imbalance, and this week we are seeing something that it tried to move up, but is still struggling getting the momentum to go upward. So we don't know either it will take out this guy or this guy first. So let's get into a lower time frame, daily. Now you guys can see more clearly that in daily it is not doing anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days it is not doing anything at all. 8 days it is not doing at all, nothing. It is not doing anything, it's just moving around. So it is ranging right now, so we don't know whether it will, on monthly if we go, it will first break, take out this top, change of character will happen, then it will go for the higher one, maybe moving towards this 50%. So in daily we have no lead at the moment to take any trade. The market is confused, and within this single bar, if we consider this single day candle and everything is inside this, almost inside this, you guys can see a little bit lower, but inside this, nearly inside this. Moving up to 4 hours, same. For intraday traders, my advice is to wait for this to break out. No breakout, don't touch it. No point. You will be holding the trade without any reason. Nothing is happening. It got rejected, it got the momentum, tried to break this line, it failed. Again it is coming down. So see if it takes out this guy. If not, wait for my strategy is to show you guys for let me give you an example to be very clear what I have did today. For your understanding, it will be very clear what I am saying. In USDJPY, I went to 1 hourly today and found that it has 3 consecutive hour rejection on the bottom. Can you guys see? 1, 2, 3, and then I opened the trade here. It came down a little, and still I am holding the trade. It is moving up, but how far it will move up, I don't know. So when I was doing the video, I am watching this, the price action is going on. Okay guys, the price action is going on. So moving back to USDCHF, so if it comes down here, for intraday traders, what I am saying, not for positional or swing traders, if it comes down here, wait for 2-3 hours to see within 3 hours after coming down to this position if it takes out this guy. If it doesn't, 3 hours, the price has been rejected, take the trade on 4 hours for bullish and target this area, this line, not above that. Maybe you will get, in my opinion, maybe you may have some 60-70 pips you may gain. So keep that in mind. Apart from that, for swing traders, please wait for the box to break. This box is very important because we are watching this for quite some time. It is not doing anything. It is ranging and gaining the strength which way it will break up. That's it from USDCHF. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe. Please use the stop loss. Stick to your strategy, and please be patient, my dear. Patience is the only key to success of forex trading. Whatever analysis you do, if you don't have the patience, the price to come to where you want it to be, then nothing will work out. Thank you very much.